Visions, I am Engineer Carlos Bral Maglaki Artates, top 9 nationwide in the April 2024 Civil Engineers Licensure Examination. Join me as I share my success story here in Vision Up Close. So for question number 1, describe your emotions and thoughts when you found out that you are a national top-notcher. What was your immediate reaction? Okay. So it was ecstatic. Okay. Alala ko, ginising ako ng kuya ko saying na nakapasa ako and kabilang ako sa top-notchers. So nung una, hindi pa ako naniwala sa kanya actually. Pero nung nakita ko na with my own eyes yung result, ayun, napahiyaw ako sa saya and para ma-confirm na hindi ako nananaginip, tas untok ko pa nga yung pader. So for question number 2, what specific strategies or routines did you follow in preparing for the examination? What study techniques or strategies did you find most effective in mastering complex engineering concepts? Actually, wala akong naging routine or schedule during my preparation for the board exam. Kung kailan lang po ako nasa condition, doon lang po talaga ako nag-re-review or nagsosolve ng problems. So, hindi ako nagre-review or di ako nagsosolve kapag feeling ko pagod ako kasi wala lang din kasi talagang pumapasok. So, for strategies, may mga strategies akong ginawa. So, una is to write, memorize, and understand the formulas. Okay? So, yung una kong ginagawa is sinusulat ko yung formulas sa isang malaking index card, kino-compile ko ngayon, and then I memorize it. Then after that, need din na intindihin yung formulas mismo para ko kahit anong kapag balik-baliktad nung problem or nung formulas, maiintindihan mo pa rin siya. Number 2, understand the concept. Need nating intindihin mabuti yung concept para kahit anong ibigay na problem is makakapag-isip tayo ng ways on how to solve them. Napaka-importante nito lalo na sa mga sobrang hihirap na mga topics. Okay? So for number 3, finalo ko yung rule of maximum exposure na kung saan sinasabi rito na mag-solve ka na mag-solve ng problems. So, minamaximize niya yung knowledge mo kung paano man mag-solve ng different kinds of problems. And ginagawa na ito is fina-familiarize tayo, ayun nga, kung paano i-solve yung mga ganong problems. Para madalian tayo kung sakali mang lumabas yung ganong type of problem. Okay. So number 4, don't overwork yourself. If you are tired, rest first. Okay? Gaya nga ng sabi ko nung una, kapag pagod ako or kapag inaantok ako, inuuna ko munang mag-rest bago ako mag-solve. Kasi wala rin talaga kasing papasok sa isipan mo at saka hindi mo din maintindihan kung ano man yung problem na sinosolve mo. Okay. So, number 5, so syempre magliwaliw din tayo minsan. Okay? Hindi yung solve lang ng solve kasi alam naman natin na it causes stress and even burnout. So, kung sa Sunday man, kung may time kayo, pwede kayong magsimba, pwede kayong lumabas with friends, and even play some games na kung ano man yung gusto nyong laruin. Number 3, who was your biggest source of inspiration during your exam preparation and what impact did they have on you? So, my biggest source of inspiration is my family. Hindi kami mapalad sa buhay and gusto ko silang mabigyan ng magandang buhay. Kaya naman nagsusumikap ako or ginagalingan ko sa lahat ng ginagawa ko para naman masuklian ko yung suporta at pagmamahal na binigay nila sa akin. Number 4, as a child, what did you dream of becoming? And how has that vision changed over the years? So ever since I was a kid, gusto ko na talagang maging civil engineer. Okay? Gustong-gusto ko kasi ng math and parati ako nagwa-wonder at naa-amaze kung paano or how infrastructures are made. Okay? So over the years naman, siguro dahil na rin sa effort ko, that vision becomes clearer na hindi malabong maging civil engineer po ako. So number 5, in what ways do you think the University of St. Louis contributed to your achievement and success? USL has provided me with quality education. Nagkaroon ako ng competent na instructors who guided me throughout my academic journey. Sila rin yung nagbigay ng strong foundations on different topics na nakatulong sa akin para sa board exam preparation ko. Ang school din yung nag-mold sa akin into becoming who I am today, at saka tinulungan nila ako spiritually. So number 6, during your academic journey, what was one significant challenge you faced? And how did you overcome it? How do you stay motivated when facing difficult subjects or projects? Yung pinaka-significant challenge na naranasan ko is yung katamaran ko. Pinalala pa ito nung pandemic. Okay? So nung first year ako, actually masipag akong estudyante noon eh. Pero ayun na nga, dumating na yung pandemic. Alam naman natin, naging online class, ang hirap mag-focus. Kaya ayun, minsan hindi na ako pumapasok sa mga online classes ko. Nagka-apekto sa grades ko. Okay? Yung mga major subjects ko, naging 75 na lang, ganyan. Sa second and third year yun. And sa third year yata, doon ko na naranasan yung first na bagsak ko. Kaya medyo na-delay ako. Okay? Pero nung nabagsak naman ako, yun na yung parang naging eye-opener sa akin na hindi tama yung ginagawa ko. Kaya ever since noon, nagsumikap na ako at I believe nung niretake ko yung subject na yun, 97 yung grade na nakuha ko. Okay? So yun, pinagbuti ko na ulit yung pag-aaral ko nung 4th year and pinagpatuloy ko lang hanggang sa board exam preparation mismo. Okay. So number 7, future plans. What are your future aspirations in the field of engineering? How do you plan to contribute to your field and make an impact in the industry? So, gusto kong maging instructor. Specifically, isang instructor sa isang review center. Para na rin matulungan ko yung mga students na nag-struggle and para magabayan ko sila sa kanilang pagpasa sa board examination. Number 8, message to future Louisian top-notchers and future Louisians. What advice would you give to aspiring engineering students who aim to excel academically? Ibigay nyo yung best nyo sa lahat ng ginagawa nyo. Mahihirapan ka na lang rin naman sa pag-aaral. Why not give your best, which gives the certainty na papasa ka and will give you satisfaction since you are doing well academically. Okay? And wag na wag din kayo susuko sa pangarap nyo. And please remember na yung mga setbacks in life are just detours. Hindi sila roadblocks or dead ends towards dun sa path to our success. So why USL? Maraming magagaling and considerate na instructors and mentors na tuturuan, i-guide at tutulungan kang i-sharpen yung skills mo sa kung anumang larangan. I am an embodiment of USL as a school of top-notchers. I am a living testimony of the university's quality education. USL has proven its academic track through waving its name through national board performances. Choose USL and experience USL.